In one Facebook post, we discovered a congressional representative showcasing his midterm accomplishment report covering the period from June 30, 2022 to December 31, 2023. He openly lists projects, hold your breath, funded by his office. I repeat, funded by his office, including flood control and river protection initiatives. From Aguilas Baco, let us travel to Aguilas Nauhan, also in Oriental Mindoro. Mr. President, Nauhan is among the beneficiaries of 3.6 billion pesos worth of projects, while Baco proudly lists 807 million, all of which is attributed to and owned up by the office of the congressman. Hindi lamang po ito ang maswerteng napondohan. Isa pa sa pinagmamalaki ng mapag-angking congressman ay ang flood control structure sa Butas River upstream, Barangay San Jose, Nauhan, Oriental, Mindoro. We took time to visit the project, Mr. President, which he referred to as a national project through congressional allocation. The project was awarded to Raymond Builders for 231 million pesos at hinugot pa rin ito sa unprogrammed funds. Dalawang projects na po ito ng Aguila na natuklasan naming mula sa unprogrammed funds, isa sa Barangay Burbuli at isa sa Barangay San Jose. Nauhan, Oriental Mindoro received a sweeping 55% of the province's 2025 flood control budget. Katumbas ito ng 10 bilyong piso para sa flood control projects ng bayan ng Nauhan pa lamang. Fair enough, given the coastal topography and of the municipality, which includes its lowland plains and extensive river systems such as Mag-asawang Tubig, Nauhan, and its people badly need flood control interventions. However, the magnitude of its budget allocation in the last 3 years alone, amounting to approximately 19 billion pesos and nearly doubling each year, raises concerns regarding Nauhan's curious case. My staff traversed Oriental Mindoro across 10 barangays to randomly check flood control projects based on the list of awarded contracts from 2023 to 2025 that we obtained from the DPWH website. The field validation came in the aftermath of the widespread flooding in the province of Oriental Mindoro during the Habagat. Barangay Tagumpay, still in Nauhan, is another case of flood control. Sa taong 2023 at 2024, halos abot kamay na ng mga taga-barangay Tagumpay ang tagumpay na layunin nitong maging ligtas sa mga pagbaha dahil sa halos 2.55 billion piso na pondong nilaan dito. Binubuo ito ng 10 proyekto sa paggawa ng road dike sa Mag-asawang Tubig at Bukayaw River. Sa ulat ng gobernador na bineripika ng aking mga staff, ang mga bahagi ng bilyones na proyektong ito, 2 beses na pong nasira ngayong taon. Ang pinakamalala nitong nakaraang bagyong Emong.